Hi everyone, welcome to REST Insight Tutorials. My name is Arpita. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create and configure a correlation plot. We'll start by importing an Ensemble file by by clicking on the icon here on Quick Access toolbar, or you can go through File menu. So we will go to the iteration 0 folder and select the model file for Eclipse. Select this folder and keep this box checked so that it will search for the model file corresponding to iteration 0 for all the realizations, and all are selected. So now click OK. Then if you want, you can change the name of this ensemble. I will keep it iteration 0. Then click OK. Now it has created an ensemble plot. I will right click on the empty area or any area on this plot and select create correlation plot, then select new report plot. So now it has created a report plot, and if we select a correlation matrix, it will display cross plot and tornado chart corresponding to that matrix. So here you can navigate through different correlation metrics and see the updated charts, updated plots here. So now we will create a report for all the wells. So that we can do by going to property editor and further down to summary vectors. So now click on these three dots, and here currently we are viewing field oil total production, but now I will set it to well and select all the producers. And for the summary vector, select total well oil production, then click OK. So now it has created a new plot showing 4 different wells. So again, you can go through different correlation metrics, and as we can see that the metrics that for which we are viewing the cross plot and tornado chart here, that will be highlighted in the green box. And now coming back to property editor, here we have option to select the parameters as shown here. So we can deselect some of the parameters as per requirement, and also we have option to change the time step for which we are viewing this report. So let's view it for a bit earlier time, and then we have option to change the settings for the plot. So this is for the appearance of the plot. So once you have made the required changes, you can export it in PDF file by clicking on the icon here and click on the save. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.